1, we are Group 3, and we are representing quantitative research, a social dimension, perception, and career choices of grade 11 students.
Career choices are influenced by multiple factors, including personal interest, economic, opportunity, and personal dimension. In the case of grade 11 bread and pastry student, social perception plays a significant role in shaping their career perception.
This study aims to explore how societal expectations influence family support and industrial perceptions impact their decision-making process. Understanding these social dimensions can help educators and policymakers develop strategies to support students in making informed career choices that align with their skills and interests.
Career decision making is a critical stage in student life, especially for those enrolled in technical vocational tracks like bread and pastry, while economic and personal factors are often considered in career planning. The role of social perception remains less explored.
Study investigates the influence of social dimensions such as peer opinion, family expectations, and societal attitudes on the career choice of grade 11 bread and pastry students. By analyzing these factors, the research seeks to provide insights into how students perceive their future in the industry and what external pressures shape their decisions.
This quantitative research aims to explore the social dimension, perception, and career choices among grade 11 bread and pastry students. The study utilizes a survey questionnaire to collect data on student perception of social factors such as family influence, peer pressure,
Societal expectation and cultural beliefs in shaping their career choices. Statistically, analysis, including descriptive and inferential techniques, will be used to examine the relationship between social factors and students' career preference. The findings aim to provide insight into how the social affect decision-making career.
That 38 of respondents are 17 years old, 30% are 16 to 22%, are 18 to 8%, are 19 and 2% are over 20. The majority are their late teens.
The study included 50 respondents with 31 females, 62%, and 19 males, 38%, indicating a higher representation of females.
Conclusion: the findings of study highlights the significant impact social perception on career choice. Among grade 11 bread and pastry student, family encouragement, peer influence, and social expectation can motivate, discourage students for pursuing career in the circularly paid.
In enhanced career guidance program, school should strengthen career counseling service to provide students with accurate information about opportunity in the baking and pastry industry. Parental and community engagement. Parents and communities should be involved in discussion about career option to provide a supportive environment for students.
Students should be given more opportunities to interact with professionals in the field through internships, workshops, and mentorship programs. Awareness campaign. Schools and industry stakeholders should work together to improve the public perception of technical vocational careers, emphasizing their viability and success potentials.